Hello everyone. I'd like to take a few moments here to talk about demand elasticity. As you may recall from the law of demand, as price increases, quantity demanded will decrease. And we assume ceteris paribus with this, that as long as nothing else changes, that's what happens. Elasticity is saying that not only does it happen, but it talks about how much quantity changes from a price change. And so if a product is inelastic in demand, such as cigarettes, you will notice that for any given price change, the quantity change as a percentage will be less. So if we take a look here for an example of cigarettes, if we raise the price from $3 to $4, which is a 33% increase, we notice a decrease goes from 100 down to 90. That is a minus 10% decrease. The percentage change increase is much greater than the quantity change. Why is this? It's because the type of product that it is. When the price goes up, people just tend to buy a little bit less, but will still pay for the product. The other way it works also is that if we lower the price from $3 down to $2, again, a 33% decrease, here we're showing that it's a 10% increase. So you don't get that much more sales from a large price drop. And that's what it means to be demand inelastic. Now let's take a moment to talk about what happens to total revenue. As you see in this case, when we raise the price, the total revenue increases, and when we lower the price, the total revenue decreases. Now for elastic demand, the situation is basically the opposite. That is, for any given price change, the quantity change is much larger. So in this case, we have, if we raise the price of canned ham from $2 to $2.20, which is a 10% increase, we see here that we lose 50% of the sales. Quantity goes down by 50%. So the quantity change is much larger than the price change as a percentage, and therefore it is demand elastic. Also, when we lower the price, we increase much greater in our sales than we did in the price change. So again, showing the demand is very elastic. However, when it comes to total revenue, notice if we raise the price, total revenue goes down. If we lower the price, total revenue increases. If you do the calculations, you see the elasticity percentage, elasticity equation here. If elasticity is greater than the 1, then product is elastic, such as here on the right. And if elasticity is less than 1, then the product is inelastic, as you can see here on the left. I hope this information helped, and of course, contact me if you have any questions.